Council of Governors has accused the national government of engaging in a covert campaign to kill devolution. The council says the national government still controls funds meant for devolved governments, even after transferring key infrastructural functions to county governments. Led by Chairman Peter Munya, the Council of Governors says it will continue with its push for a referendum to have at least 45% of the national revenue shared by county governments.
A long discussion recently in Sagana, but it looks like the national government was using that forum to rubber stamp what they had already decided, because they did not cede ground. The National Treasury still presented the same figures, and therefore, together with my chairman, we will continue to push for more resources for county government. So
alafu ukija huku unatafuta kule utachimba boo, na hiyo ni kazi ya county, sababu ulikaa na pesa ya county. Ndala upatie county waende wenyewe watafute pale watashimba boo, ndio wako karibu, na itarahisisha kazi na itatumia gharama mingi. Wewe unataka kutoka mpaka Nairobi utumie ndege, uje uspend na entourage kubwa hapa ukitafuta pale utashimba boo.